My name is Josh Jenkins, and this is... Hang on a second. This audio sucks. Let's fix that. New year, new mic. Let's get her plugged in. Shenanigans out of the way now. I did want to do an unboxing. This is for the new class that we've got coming up. I'm on a bit of a break right now. This is for the new FTT 211 class. This is going to be the bluing, browning, finishing up the muzzle loader. So this is going to be where we stain everything. So wanted to do a quick unboxing. Wanted to also do it with my new microphone and new duds that I got from Christmas. So we'll go ahead and do that. So, let's see what we got in here. If you're doing the count, let's see. This is the Mark Lee's Express Brown number 2. So this is going to be the browning solution that we use for it. I'm actually going to go ahead and probably do the browning for that. We got the brass muzzle lap. So there's a portion of that class where we have to lap the interior of the front of the muzzle loader to get that crowned correctly. We've got, I'm guessing, this Wheeler lapping compound that comes with it. That's going to be what we use. I think that's going to be the same kind of consistency as the other lapping stuff that we used. This is the True Oil for when we finish our gun stock. And then this is the stain that we have as well. This is I think this is Gunstock 231, so that'll be good. I think that's kind of super red. And this was packed by FTT. Thank you, FTT, once again. So that's what we've got in this kit. Like I said, on a small break this week, but we'll get right back to it, and you'll see more of me here pretty shortly. Thanks for watching.